Hello and welcome to our instructional series of videos. In this installment, we'll be putting a 3.5-inch SATA hard drive into the 2020 revision of the OWC Mercury Elite Pro drive enclosure. We've already gathered our materials and are working on a soft static-free surface. We're now ready to begin. The first step is to remove these two Phillips screws from the rear of the enclosure. Then, remove the rear panel from the enclosure as well. This is an optional step, but makes reassembly easier later. Once you've removed the back plate, push the inner tray out of the shell. The SATA connector on the drive corresponds with this one on the enclosure. Simply line the two up and slide them together. There are 4 Phillips screws that come with the Elite Pro. Use these through the rubber grommets on the case to secure the drive. We can now slide the tray back into the shell. Make sure that these lips along the edge of the tray go underneath these ridges on the case. Slide the tray in connector end first. You can now line up the rear panel so that the cutouts are aligned with the switch and connectors. Then secure the whole enclosure together with these 2 Phillips screws. Your OWC Mercury Elite Pro is now ready to format and use.